Salsa snack. Oh! Like, oh my god! Lovely. Lovely. She's precious.
Of course she's gonna do that.
This shit weapon, I wonder.
I
Clean
don't
girl,
know.
clean
It's
girl.
frozen.
Okay. Oh, you can't do that. You get
Frozen.
What, is yours frozen or something? Ew, it came back out.
Oh, she's lovely.
No, that's not one turd. That's fake.
How do you know? Like,
Because
ew.
a turd wouldn't be that hard.
There's
some girls.
I don't think it would be that messy if it was hard.
What?
What she was looking at. Like a lollipop. Oh. Christ.
Why did they cut his testicles off?
People just do it. People remove limbs just for the hell of it.
Like this, fun.
Kids in Sandbox.
Where do I go for that?
We'll try that again. I'm just gonna let the thing run because I don't feel
Kids in a sandbox?
Yes.
Oops. Let's try one more.
There we go.
Which one?
Try the first one. Warning. Enter.
Those are kids. Ooh, what she said. Ooh. Wow. He just has a big urethra.
How did it get that big?
Have you ever seen a hypospadias?
What?
Hypospadias. Here, I'll put a picture. Put it
No.
No, I want you to see one.
I think I just did, didn't I?
No, it's not quite it.
Just spell it poorly, it'll correct you. Okay.
Hypospadias. I don't know if they'll show pictures of.
Yeah, they're on Wikipedia.
But, well, those are very good pictures. But some of them, like, the pee hole will be like that. But a lot of
I've
them.
seen that before.
But a lot of them, the pee hole will be down on the shaft. And they correct it.
Ew, like a Prince Albert hole?
Not really.
Like, what do you mean, like,
well,
under...
like under the hiatus, the
Oh.
pee hole will be down there. Like his pee hole is different right there. It's supposed to be, and it's down there. But some of them are way down there, and they're pretty big.
Did you hide treasures in that?
I don't know, but what they do is an infant, they just don't circumcise them, and later on, they then go and correct it.
Okay.
Somebody at work, her kid had that.
We're dealing with a nurse here, so you're gonna hear about shit you don't care about.
Shut your mouth, that was hateful. Well, you know what it is now. When you see one, you'll know.
Guess I do. I hope I don't see one in person.
Let's see, what else can we watch? What else? Tell me.
What is like One Girl, One Finger is another one. No, wait, Two Girls, One Finger, sorry. Okay, try it. This one's kind of tame compared to...
Well, which one should I watch?
What? Just do the... Try the first one, that'll probably be it. Okay, this is it.
Oh.
Oh, and then there's links for other ones under. Oh no, go back. I'm sorry. That's bullshit. That's just to get you to get your email. Okay. I need my glasses. What the fuck? Bitches. That's false advertising. Just type in Google again and do your browser. Sorry.
I need to put that as one of the